You want to go look inside of it?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Oh, yeah, fire truck. Yeah, fire extinguisher. Let's go look inside.
Whoa!
You want to sit in there?
No.
Okay.
No, you want to get in the back?
No.
Oh, yeah.